Drone Pool here. So I wanted to try something today. This is my Ehang 2.0 Ghost drone, and I took it out for a flight today. Now, I've been flying this in avatar mode, and in avatar mode you use your phone. So if you hold your phone like this and you point it down, the drone will go forward. If you hold it back like this, it'll come backwards. If you move it to the side, it goes sideways. Move it to that, tilt it that way, it'll go that way. And then to yaw, you just turn it like that to do yaw. And then there's a little slider on here. You just slide it up for altitude, and you just slide it down to come down. So that's avatar mode. That's how you fly this in avatar mode. Now, in avatar mode, you can use these goggles, and it sends the video feed to your goggles, although it's not that great. I don't know if it's a signal from the drone or if it's just these goggles aren't that great. I don't know. But it has head tracking to where when you tilt your head, tilt the goggles down, the camera will tilt down. You raise your head, the camera comes back up. It's just up and down. It's not this way. It's not side to side. It's just up and down. So this acts as a go-between between the drone and the phone. So if you're not flying with goggles, you still have to have these on, because the drone sends a signal to the goggles, and then the goggles sends a signal to the phone via Bluetooth. So you have to have these goggles with you no matter what, even if you're not using them to fly. It acts like what they call a G-box. So I thought, well, what I want to try and do is fly the quad in VR mode with goggles, just not these goggles. I wanted to see if I could use my Viper goggles. And what I did was I took the bottom plate off, however that goes, just so I could look down and still have the screen right in front of my face, and it works good. So the answer is yes, I was able to fly the drone with these goggles. I just had the headset sitting down beside me, and when I wanted to tilt the camera, I just picked the goggles up and tilted them down while I was flying. I had the phone in one hand and had these in the other hand while I was wearing these goggles. And these did a better job than what these do, but there's still a lot of signal breakup even when you're not out there very far. So I don't know. I thought about maybe replacing these antennas on here. Maybe that would help. These might just be cheap antennas. So that's the starting point. I'm going to try that again. And I just did an auto search, so I might do a manual search and go through and find another channel that might work. So, but yeah, I was able to use these to fly, so I'm happy about that. So that's a step I was trying to clear up. So with that being said, let's take a look at the footage. Alright, this is Drone Pool signing out.
She's with one of my good time buddies. They're drinking in some cross town bar. Sometimes I feel I'm dying. I've been such a fool that I had to stand by and take it, baby. Oh, for loving you. Drown myself in sorrow as I look at what you've done, but nothing seems to change. The bad times stay the same, and I can't run. Sometimes I feel. I'm dying. I'm dying. free.